guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I was able to tie this satin fabric on my model's head and also with Ashoke. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you all so much. So the first thing I'm going to be placing on her head is a satin fabric, and I'm just going to make pleats with this fabric. Thereafter, I'm going to trace the pleats down towards her neck area, both for the right hand side and also for the left hand side. So the rule for this particular satin fabric today is 80-20. So I'm going to make sure that one hand of the fabric is longer than the other hand of the fabric. The shorter hand of the fabric is what she's holding right now, while the longer hand of the fabric is what I'm holding. So I'm just going to take that round her head 2 times. I'm going to take that round her head 2 times because my own fabric is actually very long. So I'm going to try as much as possible to reduce the length on her head by taking it round 2 times. So I'm going to also come in with my Ashoke and I'm going to make it 50-50. I'm just going to fold the edges of the Ashoke. Thereafter, I'm going to make pleats on her head. The pleats that you are going to make depends on how big your gele is or how small your gele is. So after making the pleats, you have to make sure that you trace the pleats down towards her neck area, same way you did for the satin fabric, on the left hand side and also on the right hand side. So I'm just going to pass this through under the satin fabric. Like I said, the rule for this is 50-50. The both hands of this Ashoke has to be equal. So after making your pleats, you want to make sure that you bring your Ashoke to the front, and that is what I am doing right now. So at this point, I'm going to pick up my yellow satin fabric and I'm going to make some pleats with it. I'm just going to place it behind the green fabric that I have there. I'm going to place it behind my Ashoke so that the beauty of this whole gele comes out very well. So we have yellow, green and yellow on top. When doing this, you have to take note of this. So I'm just going to bring the satin fabric to the front again, and at this point I'm going to start making my ruffles. I'm going to be linking some of my previous videos in the description box just in case you want to check them out, how to tie any form of gele at all, be it satin materials, how to make ruffles and all of that. I'm going to be linking them down in the description box below, so don't fail to check them out. And if they help you in any way, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment in the comment section. I really love it when you guys do that. So like in my previous video, we'll just be doing the same thing. I'm going to be lifting up the fabric a little bit. Thereafter, I'm going to make some pleats. After that, I'm going to pin the fabric down so that everything does not unravel and so that it stays in place. So after making 2 ruffles, you want to make sure that you join the 2 ruffles you've created together. When you make 3, you join them together, although it all depends on what you want. If you want them to stand on their own like alone, you can just make them stand individually, but if you want them to be in a group, you can just pin them together as you create your ruffles. So that's what I'm going to be doing until I reach her neck area. So I'm done creating the ruffles. I'm just going to take it to the front again, and so that everything is balanced, I'm going to also create some ruffles at this side, because what I have on the right hand side is more than what I have on the left hand side. So I'm going to create some ruffles at this point. At this point, I'm going to pick up my Ashoke, this green Ashoke right now, and I'm going to make some pleats on her head, and I'll be doing this behind the yellow satin fabric that I have. I'm just going to create the pleats behind the yellow fabric, and after creating my infinity pleats, I'm going to create the normal round pleats. After doing that, I'm going to start creating my fan. You have to make sure that everything you're doing on her head is firm enough so that it doesn't unravel at any point. So at this point, I'm just going to start creating my fan. Once you're done creating your fan, you want to make sure that you twist the remaining part of the fabric to the back and pin it, and that is what I am doing right now. I'm just going to secure that right there by pinning everything down. And in this video, like for this particular tutorial, I'm pinning 3 times so that everything stays firm on her head. So I'm going to go over to the other 50 parts of the Ashoke, and I'm going to create my pleats. I'm going to create my fan. I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the other hand of the Gele. So once you're done making your pleats, you want to make sure that you twist the remaining hand of the Gele to the back and pin everything right there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to close the back of this Gele. You can actually make yours open, though it depends on your preference, but mine in this video is going to be closed. So I'm going to twist the both hands of the satin material at the back of her head, and then I'm just going to pin everything down there in a way that it is secured, and so that everything I've done does not unravel. See how neat that looks at the back there. At this point, I'm going to be styling the Gele, one hand of the fan Gele, the way that I want it to be. I'm just going to be lifting up the pleats a little bit so that it comes out really beautiful and nice. It's not going to be the usual fan pleats. I'm just going to lift that up a little bit right there. I love you all so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. If you have any requests as to what video I should post next, please comment in the comment section below. I love you all so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.